Bonjour, I'm Joanna, Bakery Mama, and here's how we baked our frozen croissants on Thanksgiving morning. Place them on a parchment-lined baking sheet in a warm spot to proof overnight. In the morning, preheat your oven to 375. Brush the croissants with an egg wash of 1 egg mixed with cream. Each holiday we send out thousands of these frozen croissants, and I am always amazed at how our natural levain starter makes a difference in the baking. Bake at 375 for 18 minutes until dark golden brown. This is one of our most requested videos, and I hope it was helpful. As the French say, bien cuit and bon appetit. And don't come for my French accent. I live with 2 French speakers.